Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already installed Itemedit and backed up files. Now begin. First, open the host application and navigate directly to the Itemedit panel. Once there, pick the specific item ID you want to change and load its current data. Make sure autosave is off so you control commits. Use a descriptive temp name when prompted. This avoids overriding important assets. If fields are grayed out, confirm your user role, permits edits, before proceeding to the next step. You'll now perform the main edits. Start with core attributes, name, type, value, ensuring each matches the required schema. Invalid types cause silent failures. Then update assets, drag textures or icons into the asset slot, and respect size limits to prevent load errors. Once changed, open preview mode to inspect behavior in context. Make small, incremental saves every 2 or 3 edits so you can revert quickly if something breaks. If scripts reference the item, verify ID. Finish by running the plugin's validation routine, and then commit your changes to the staging branch rather than directly to production. Next, test the item in a controlled session, observe functionality and monitor logs for warnings or errors. If something fails, immediately restore the org backup and use a diff tool to find the discrepancy. Often a single mismatched ID or missing asset causes the problem. Once fixed, revalidate and reapply the change. Then promote to production when stable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.